Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers, and today I'm here with Alex Chavez. He's a franchise owner up in Connecticut. It's his second or third year doing this with us. What were you doing before Pacific?
Landscaping.
Landscaping.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of landscaping?
We would do all kinds. We would do maintenance, which is mowing weeklies, planting, sods, doing some irrigation, trees, masonry, and all that good stuff.
Wow. Okay. And you worked with your family company
Yes,
for a while?
my father's had his own company for about 35, 40 years.
Oh wow. Okay.
So I was helping him out, and then I got the opportunity to do my own.
Okay. Cool. That's good. So why'd you make the jump into irrigation, and how's it been so far?
It's been great. For me, irrigation, this is the first time I started doing it. I liked it better than having to go weekly mowing to somebody's house or planting and all that other stuff. So it intrigued me, and it's what I like to do.
Cool. So when you came over, you knew like a little bit about irrigation, but not a lot. And the systems up here are a little complicated with pumps and stuff like that. So how was the process, with us? Did we help you out, teach you what you
Oh,
needed?
of course, the training was great, and up here it's totally different than what we were doing in New York. Because up here you have wells and you have pumps, so you have to learn about all that, how to work with the wells, how to work with the pumps, and with you guys, you guys were able to teach me all that. Look at that stuff. I didn't know anything.
Okay, cool. And also, what would you say just about Pacific so far, and the working with our system, the office, and we do the advertising and scheduling for you? Has that been like easy process?
It's been probably the easiest process. With you guys have all been great since day one. I met with you guys. It's all been smooth, like nice people. Call the office, everybody's always nice, everybody's always help. I get stuck anywhere, I know I can pick up the phone, call you guys, and you guys answer. And if one can't answer, I know there's 10 more I could call. So
Nice.
we go from there.
Cool.
And even if I have a problem with anything, you guys will come right up and help out and get it done.
Cool. All right. Well, Alex is doing really good in his franchise. Last year he added on a second truck, which he has another family member helping him out with. So his franchise is growing almost too fast for him. He's trying to keep up with it. So we'll check back with Alex, through the years, and keep you updated on his progress. And thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys.